We're trying to understand ourselves. How does our brain work?
It's understanding who we are and why we do what we do.
Trying to figure out how it communicates with itself, how it produces consciousness. That's what Brown neuroscience is trying to discover.
In a lot of ways, it's like the last frontier. There's so much we don't understand about the brain right now, and there's so many different ways that scientists can make a difference.
For other parts of the body, you can, to some extent, open things up and see how they're working. Whereas the brain, without a lot of the newer technology, it's really hard to differentiate what's doing what. The new technology is really what's allowing us to kind of delve into that and start doing what we've been doing for the rest of the body for years at this point.
Brown is at the forefront of using these new techniques. We have a really unique setting here where we interact extremely well with the faculty. They're always reflecting and re-evaluating and seeing how they can improve the program.
We designed our program so that the students can get a comprehensive understanding across the field of neuroscience, but then also giving them the opportunity to dig in on the topic that they want to do their work on.
We're not coddling ideas. You crash test your ideas. You come up with an idea and you think of everything that you could possibly do to prove it wrong. And if you can't prove it wrong, that's solid science. That's an idea that might be worth pursuing.
You need people coming at it from so many different angles. You need different labs attacking the same question. You need that collaboration and that camaraderie. And that's how you continue growing and you continue moving forward in your own sciences, that you incorporate things from other people.
We have incredible access to all of our PIs here. If you reach out to them, they will make a really concerted effort to meet with you.
They definitely make it a community, and then the students really take that from the faculty and internalize it, and they're also just as supportive.
I don't think there's a way to know when you start a PhD program everything that's going to come your way. All you can do is choose the people that are around you when it happens. And I chose Brown, and I know I made the right choice.
I feel like I've traveled light years being in this program. I've grown so much, not only as a neuroscientist and as a scientist, but just as a person. You're exposed to so many different people and sciences and approaches to things, and it really helps you grow.
We're supported by the department, we're supported by the university, and we're supported by each other.